Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stew lamb chops. First, pat your lamb chops completely dry with paper towels and season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Sear the chops for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they develop a beautiful, deep brown crust. This crucial step locks in flavor. Remove the seared lamb and set it aside. Now let's build our flavor base. In the same pot, add a bit more oil if needed, then sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Cook these aromatics until they soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, stir in your minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of red wine or beef broth to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. It's time to bring everything together for that perfect stew. Return the seared lamb chops to the pot, along with your diced potatoes and a sprig of fresh rosemary and thyme. Pour in enough beef broth to cover all the ingredients by about 1 inch. Bring the stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. The lamb should be incredibly fork tender. Almost there. If you prefer a thicker stew, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering stew until it thickens. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding more salt or pepper to your liking. Serve your hearty stew lamb chops hot, perhaps with some crusty bread or a side of rice. It's truly a comforting meal. Also, for some amazing deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.